Guys, you haven't got a hacksaw, have you?
What?
Have you got a hacksaw?
You got a saw in the van?
No, it's got these, pal. Need a hacksaw. You not got a hacksaw, no? Do they sell hacksaws, do you know?
Yeah, they'll sell them in there, yeah.
Guy with a pair of handcuffs, have you, mate? Pair of handcuffs?
What?
I've seen a guy with a pair of handcuffs on, have you?
Yeah, he went that
That way? It's fucking there.
Where's the hacksaws, pal? Where's the hacksaws?
I don't work here, mate.
That's not what I asked you. So where's the hacksaws? Quick!
Hacksaws, where are they? I don't know, mate. I've been outside, mate. I don't know.
Here. Are they here? Are they here? You couldn't help me out, guys, could you? You any good with a hacksaw?
What's up?
Can you help me out, yeah? Stand down here. I need some help, pal. Here. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
You any good with a hacksaw?
Am I any good with it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is this when you're going to ask me to do a job for you?
If you could, please, mate. Yeah.
You're taking the piss.
No.
No.
You're not going to help me?
No.
Oh, come on.
No.
I
You
can't-
getting an ID in you?
ID?
Yeah.
What for?
Because I'm a copper. Come on, Paul. You're going with me. Come on.
Hey, I had a good session with a woman on it last night. And she
Come on,
went to
Paul.
work with
Come
a
on.
key. Hey, you're hurting me here.
Come on. Come on. Security.
Security for what?
You can't go around walking with them.
Well, she took the key to work. The woman I was with last night.
And the thing is, I left my keys at home in the bedroom.
You better let go of me, mister.
I can't.
You've just assaulted me.
Hey, Paul.
You've just assaulted
Can
me.
you do me a favour?
You've just assaulted me.
No, I don't think so, Sunshine.
This guy's
no,
asking
sir.
me to cut these handcuffs off him.
Oh no, he's with me.
Is it?
Yeah, give us the one. Yeah, Sean. Take him away. Hey, come on.
Oh, thanks, pal. Thanks a lot, pal.
It's alright.
Yeah, Sean. Take him away. Hey, come on.
Oh, thanks, pal.
Thanks a lot, pal.
It's alright.
Come on, mate.
Job.
Run! Run! He's not with me, really. Mate, come on, you gotta let him off. We don't know what he's done.
Well, that's the whole point. You can't let him off until you get the handcuffs taken off him.
Yeah, but who knows? He might have only been drink driving.
I'm going to call Sean. Owen. I'm going to call Sean and Paul.
What for? It's alright, it's probably nothing.
Alright, okay. I'm going to call Sean and Paul. Yeah, both of them. There's a guy going round with police handcuffs on him, and he's asking the little chap and me to cut the handcuff off him. The police issued handcuffs. He said he was with him, and then he let him go and told him to do a runner. So
Yeah, but come on, you gotta give him a bit of grace. Why?
There's etiquette and there's the right and the wrong thing to do.
We don't know what he's done.
Wrong. Must have got something wrong. He's got handcuffs on him, hasn't he?
Yeah, but come on, man. Police aren't here. Just let.
They're issued handcuffs. No, hang on.
Well, they're not police ones, are they? Ah, you just let him go, mate. Don't ring the police.
I don't really want a criminal in here.
You don't want a criminal. He might not be.
Well,
He might have had a.
why else would he have handcuffs?
He might have had a good night last night with a girl or something.
I highly doubt it.
What's going on? What's going on?
I saw a guy freak out. He went towards the door and then he came back and then went round. What?
Yeah, he might have just have had a good night last night, guys. I want. It's probably not.
Behind that, I just saw me and him behind the wall.
Whereabouts?
What are they doing, Robin?
No, I don't have no idea.
Did you see
Why is he?
This is crazy. This.
He's on our Insta. Oh my god. Did he just pop up? Yeah, he just did. He's crawling up the wall.
What did you do?
Is he there?
Oh no, he's dipping behind the wall. Look. Look.
You got one hand and an ankle?
Yeah. I let him free. He's probably not done it wrong, has he?
His wife.
Right, anyway.
Yeah, the fun's over now, guys. Yeah, he's piss taking, isn't he? Gotta be. But that guy was going to hand him in. I said you can't do that. You know what I mean? He just escaped from massage parlour. Massage parlour. Didn't pay. He's not paid from massage parlour. So
Like a fancy massage?
yeah, not paid.
Oh, so he's not like on the one with the police?
No, no. Dramas, innit? Whoa!